Namaskar ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back with this summer look with the trimmed hairs and trimmed beard. So yes, the situation currently is bad in the India due to this pandemic, and there are some travel restrictions also. It's kind of a lockdown, and yeah, to adhering to that, we should not go outside. So during this lockdown, we might have missing this bike rides and all things, and bikes are also in the parking for quite long time. So during this period, we should not ignore these babies. We should take care of them. Like most of the people are aware that batteries might got drained, but there are some other things that we should also take care of those. Let's discuss about them. Yeah. So the one of the most important thing in a bike is your bike, the battery of your bike. So basically, what you can do, if weekly once you can start the bike, and you should start the bike and leave it up to 5 minutes. So it just not help you to recharge the battery, but also it will help to circulate the engine across the engine. Oh sorry, circulate the engine oil across the engine. So that was all for bike's battery. You can do nothing except that, and if you're planning to keep the bike standing for longer period, so what you can do, you can basically take out your battery and keep it with you. It will simply reduce the chances of draining the battery rather than keeping it in the bike. So if you're planning to not using the bike for longer time, for longer period, just take out the battery and keep it with. Now the second important point is that where do you park your bike, whether it is outside or inside. Better to prefer to cover it with your bike covers, so that will avoid the excessive layer of dust on your bike. And you might think that okay, the dirt or dust is coming, but you can wash it off, but frequently washing the bike might cause corrosion in some metal parts of your bike. So to avoid it, the better park it inside and cover it with your bike covers. So another important thing you should consider while parking is that whether you're parking on a side stand or on the main stand. So basically, if your bike has a main stand, then always prefer to park your bike on a main stand. So parking bike on side stand or on a single position for longer time may cause a flat tire marks on your tires, and that might give you some unstable riding feeling during rides. Okay, so you might feel that your wheels are misaligned due to those tire marks. To avoid it, park your bike on a main stand, or if your bike, like this bike, doesn't get the side stand, so what you can do, if you have paddock stand, then prefer to put a paddock stand and park the bike. And sometimes yeah, most of times people might not have two paddock stands. So what you can do, you basically for a little interval just rotate your wheel so that the position of your wheel gets changed, and it won't cause a flat tire. Now next point to consider is that there are many moving parts in the bike, like your brake levers are there. I can show you that these parts, like here rear brake is there, your foot pegs are there, so you should consider lubricating them. You can lubricate them and keep a bike for a long time, so it will help to longer their life. Also, sometimes if you keep your vehicle standing, you might notice there are some corrosion around these places. Right now it's not there with my bikes, I can see, but sometimes what you observe that there are some corrosive parts are here. So those might go once you start using the vehicles by after using it. But like sometimes such parts like rivets and screws are there, so they might have some hidden parts with corrosion, so you can't detect those. So to avoid such corrosions, there are some lubricants, also there are some penetrating oils, so you can lubricate these parts with such oils or lubricants which will avoid further corrosion. Now chain is an important part of your vehicle, so you should not forget to take care of it. Whether you can lubricate it with sprays, or there are some sprays which gives you white coatings. Now I'm not remembering its name currently. I'm not able to remember the name, but that spray will coat your chain in white color. Now coming to the next point, whether you should keep the fuel in your tank or not. I'll try to cover this part as per my knowledge, but you can always do a research, further research, and accordingly take actions, like whether we should keep the tanks full or not for the bikes. Now I guess there are two kind of fuel tank comes. One is aluminum and second one is metal. So basically as I know, you should not top up your aluminum tanks. I don't know why, I haven't researched it further, but while coming to normal tanks like metal tanks, having fuel in it, it will always save the tank from corrosion. So it's better if you fill out the tank. It will simply avoid the corrosion on the bike's tank. Okay, now there's a different story here also, that if you're using high octane fuel, that might residue some layer in the tank and also on the injector. So afterwards, whenever you'll use the bike, you have to clean your injectors. So better you can top up your bike with the normal fuel, so it will simply avoid the corrosion, and that will be better. So that was all from today's vlog, guys. I tried to cover the points, those I researched and I basically follow to keep the bikes in good condition. So if you know further, if you know other information or it's additional information, you can always comment down below in the comment section, and you can suggest me or other people how can you take care of your bike. Plus if you want to directly contact, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll leave Instagram handle over somewhere here. So stay home, stay safe, don't go out unless it's an emergency. So that's all from today's video, guys. I hope you love the content. If you love the content, so please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Also comment and share the video. That's it from today's video. Let's meet in another video. Till then, bye.